In this video, I will be showing you how to get Legends of Speed script. To use the Roblox hacks, you need a Roblox exploit. You can run anything you want if you have, for example, KRNL, JJ Exploit, Electron, and Ducky. Open your exploit first, then launch the Legends of Speed game. Copy the Legends of Speed script and then paste it into your exploit. To attach or inject your exploit, click the button and then you can now start using this script. Now of course, our tutorial is all about how to get Legends of Speed script. Once you have your script, all you have to do is just simply turn on auto hoops and then turn on speed farm to super fast. The red orb gives the most of the best feature. In the next context of video games, the term auto race can be used to describe a wide range of unique categories, including auto drain race, auto rebirth, ring hops, and auto speed. These Roblox scripts have been thoroughly examined approved for use. It's crucial to remember that neither the creators nor the distributors of these scripts are accountable for any problem that may occur as a result of utilizing them. Always make up a backup of your game data before using any third party scripts or tools to be on the safe side. So I really hope that after you inject and use a script, you will have a better way of playing these legends of speed. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.